truck here, but Dad's behind me. A couple days ago, 2 days ago to be exact, found a RV on Facebook. Sister tagged me in it. It was the next town over, and he said it was it was cheaper if you took the whole thing. Otherwise, you could take it apart there and buy this motor, but it's going to be more. So I went over and looked at it, and lo and behold, I ended up buying it. So bought an RV for 500 bucks. So got it running that night. Runs good, sounds good. So we're heading to pick it up now. So we're almost there, so I'll see how much I can end up filming of it. This just might be a little, I don't know, redneck possibly. That thing's huge. But she moves. Trailer's not too happy. Luckily it's back roads home. We're only, I think 5 miles from home. So we're gonna take some back roads, take it slow, and that's it. So I'll see if I film or not. If not, I'll see you at my house. Well, it's home. I suppose now it's time to start tearing her apart. So, that was definitely too much weight for the trailer, and it was definitely too long. The weight wasn't necessarily too much, but the length is what was killing it. We had to go pretty slow because it didn't have nearly enough tongue weight and it had too much hanging off the back, but we're here, we made it. So next time, I think I might just try to drive them or definitely find something different. But there she is. So next, gotta tear it apart, cut it up, maybe play with it a little bit, clean out the inside. Gonna run a roll off and take it apart. But that's it. Floyd's Mayhem Garage out. Take it easy, y'all.